friends. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to be talking about what is absolute value. So what does the word absolute value mean? Grab your notebooks. You're going to want to write some notes and take some notes in your notebooks. Okay, so what is absolute value? All it is how far away something is from zero. So if we look at 3 here, it is one, 2, 3 steps away from 0. So the absolute value of 3 is 3 because it's 3 steps away. Let's look at -3. We go 1, 2, 3. The absolute value of -3 is also going to be 3 because it's 3 steps away from 0. So if you have something like the absolute value of -16, and I try and draw my absolute value signs a little bit longer than the lined paper that you're maybe writing on, just so it doesn't look like a 1. You don't want to be your own worst enemy in math and accidentally make a mistake because you thought your handwriting said 1. All right, so the absolute value of -16 is +16. The absolute value of -7 is 7. The absolute value of +7 is also +7. Absolute value is absolutely positive. Now, with that in mind, what do I need x to equal in order for this to be 3? Well, up here we said we can put in for x, we can put in both a 3 and a -3, and we will get the same answer out. So when we're dealing with absolute value, we always have 2 answers because we have one from the negative side and one from the positive side that are meeting in the middle at 0. So keep that in mind. The other thing we want to talk about is, what about this? Now, trick question time. What can I put into x to give a negative, for absolute value, to give me the absolute value equals -3? Well, I can't put in -3 because if I do that, the absolute value is +3. Remember, I said absolute value is absolutely positive. This is no solution because we cannot put anything into our absolute value and get out a negative number. It's just not possible. So hopefully that helps explain a little bit more about what absolute value is. Just remember, it's the distance it is from 0. Absolute value is absolutely positive. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.